Hey guys, Luis here. In this video, we are going to draw a cartoon monster. Let's get right to it. The first thing we have to do is to draw a rectangle. Make sure to draw a nice large rectangle. This monster is going to have some fangs. So let's draw two of them, one on each side. This is going to be the mouth of our character. Let's also add some teeth, otherwise this would be a toothless monster. Then we are going to complete the head by drawing two lines and then connecting them. We need to draw the eyes. You can draw the eyes however you like to, but in this case, I am going to draw some large eyes to give it a cartoony personality. Let's draw the body. This is your monster. You may add horns, extra eyes, hair, whatever you like to add. In this case, I'll be adding some horns to my monster. Nice! Let's color it. This is my cartoony monster. Thank you for watching and don't forget to share your drawings with us.